Hey, I'm Adam Wilder, and today I'm going to teach you a game to help bring more nourishing touch into your life. Whether you crave touch and want more of it, whether you find it hard to say what you want, maybe you find it hard to tell people when you don't want to do something, this game is going to help you to get more in touch with your sovereignty and how to express it. It's a game that's based on the 3-minute game created by Harry Faddis and developed by Dr. Betty Martin. Although it's called the 3-minute game, you need about 20 minutes to play and you'll need 2 people. When you've found somewhere where you won't be disturbed, decide who's going to be the giver and who's going to be the receiver. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to swap over later. The giver then asks the question, how would you like to be touched for 3 minutes? Receiver, it's your turn to decide. Take a nice deep breath. Take a moment to understand what you want, and then you can say, please will you do this to my arm with this pressure, please will you hug me with your arms here. The better you can express what you want, the more learning you can get, and the more the giver will be able to give it to you. Once you've expressed what you want, you take a moment to negotiate, because maybe the giver isn't comfortable doing all of those things. When you've negotiated, set a timer for 3 minutes and do it. The giver then moves into doing the action that you've discussed. At any time, you can change your mind, receiver. You can say, I would like that harder. Actually, stop doing that. I don't want that now. Can you do this? Will you do this? This game is all about learning. And it might be that when you're choosing at the beginning, you don't want to be touched at all. And that's absolutely fine. Maybe you just want the other person to sit opposite you and look at you in the eye. Or maybe you want them to guard you whilst you sleep. That's totally okay. No touching or being touched needs to take place to learn from this game. When the 3 minutes are up, take a moment to come back into yourself, maybe take a few breaths and then swap over. The giver becomes the receiver becomes the giver and asks the question, how would you like to be touched for 3 minutes? Once you've both done the 3 minutes, there's time for integration. Now, I can't stress how valuable this part is. It's one thing to experience something, but if you sit with each other afterwards and talk about it, it can help you to notice what was going on for you. You might want to ask questions like, was I comfortable the whole time? Did I ask for what I wanted to? Did I do something that I didn't want to do? Did I want to change something and say, or did I not say? How did it feel in the body? Did I experience that as pleasure? Take about 5 minutes each to talk about it. Now, this game, you can play variations on it. So 3 minutes, to some people it seems like a long time, to some people it seems a short time. Once you've done it a few times, maybe you'd like to do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 60 minutes. You can play it with a partner, you can play it with friends. I recommend playing it with as many different people as you can, from different sexualities, different genders. It can be really nice work to do some of this with people of your own gender. This is only the first half of the 3-minute game. If you'd like to learn more about this, we're running some workshops on exploring touch, see the link below. And I've made a cheat sheet which you can download from our website, togetherness.com/exploring touch. Thanks for watching today. If you like this video, click subscribe, leave a comment, let me know, and it'll encourage me to make more videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.